Hello everyone, Eleonora here from Cream Beauty School. In this video I will show you how to remove your acrylic nails step by step from home. It's really easy, you only need few things, so please stay until the end to watch the full procedure. So these are the nails before the removal. And the materials you need are file, metal tool, Vaseline, cotton bud, aceton and a kitchen foil. Firstly, you need to remove the shine from the nails, so you need to file them a little bit or buff them in order the product to go deeper and to save time. So remove the shine, and then after you remove the shine, you need to protect the cuticle area, and the best thing to do to use is Vaseline. So apply the Vaseline around the cuticles in order to protect the skin, because skin gets really dry after such a long time soaked in acetone. So after that you need to put some acetone on the cotton and literally put the cotton on top of the nail. Don't worry about the skin too much because you have already applied the Vaseline. Wrap them with foil, kitchen foil. It's absolutely fine, you don't really need anything else because it works perfect. So wrap them one by one and then leave them for about half an hour, 40 minutes. It really depends on the acetone. It should be pure acetone, very good quality one, otherwise it's going to take you ages to remove them. After they have been soaked, you need to remove them with the metal tool. It can be anything metal really, it can be also wooden stick. It depends, whatever you have at home. You don't need to specially buy the tool, but just remove them, push it down. The material is already quite soft, it's like rubber, so it's easy to actually remove it. If there is anything left after the first application of the acetone, don't worry too much. You can just soak them again in a little bit more acetone. You don't have to push too much into the nail because you may damage your nail, so just really kind of push the product as much as you can and then just soak them again, and it's going to be easier because the product is much less than before. And then you can help yourself with a file. It can be any file, so just file a little bit. If there is anything like left on the nail, you can use a little bit file just to buff it up a little bit. You can also use buffer, that's also fine, because sometimes you need just a tiny bit of filing on top. You don't have to, you can just soak them a bit more, but you can use a little bit file to help you remove the last bits. So this is the last finger, and actually the product has been soaked for a little bit longer in acetone, so that means that the acrylic will be removed easier. More you soak them, easier to remove them later. And don't worry to stay longer because it's not bad for the nails. We have actually completely protected the skin around the cuticles, so that's fine, and you don't really have to worry about anything else. So staying a bit longer actually is going to make your life a bit easier later. Once you finish, you can apply either cuticle oil or you can simply use olive oil. The oil will get deeper into the nails and will help them recover quickly. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that video helped you.